In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text over an image on Wix using two different methods. This is a fantastic way to make your website visually appealing and effectively communicate your message. Whether you want to highlight a key piece of information or simply enhance your site's design, these steps will guide you through the process. First, let's head over to the Wix website editor. You can do this by logging into your Wix account, where you'll find the specific site you want to work on. Once inside the editor, our journey to adding text over an image begins. The next step is to click on Add Section. This is where you can choose from a variety of predefined sections to enrich your site. Among these, look for the Welcome option and select a welcome section that fits your style. Once you've selected your welcome section, go ahead and click on it to begin customization. Now, let's change the background of this section to feature the image you want. Click on Change Background, then on Image. This is where you can choose an image from Wix's library or upload one of your own. After selecting the right image, confirm your choice. By doing this, you've set the stage for the text overlay. With the image in place, navigate to Add Elements and select Text. Here you'll find various design options that allow you to choose a style that complements the rest of your site. Choose a text design and, by clicking and holding, drag the text box over to the image. Adjust the placement to ensure that it aligns perfectly with your desired layout. If the text isn't the right size, don't worry. You can resize it at any point by clicking on the small box that appears on the text boundary and dragging it to your preferred size. This versatility allows you to make the text as prominent or subtle as you need. That wraps up our first method. Now for the second, we'll start again at Add Elements, but this time choose Image. Once you have your image added, resize it according to the design of your section. After positioning it, revisit Add Elements and this time select Text. Again, decide on a design that matches your site's aesthetic. Now click and hold the text box and place it directly over the image. Position it wherever it makes the most impact. Resize and edit the text as necessary to make sure it looks perfect on your web page. And there you have it. Two simple methods to add text over an image on Wix. This technique is an excellent way to enhance your site's visual storytelling and keep visitors engaged. Give it a try and see how it transforms the look of your website. As you explore these steps, you might find new ways to make your online presence even more vibrant and effective.